baseball basket case. I was sent to set the world on fire and piss on all your graves. I tried to hate myself with my death bell, but all it did was save me to fame. I'm no role model, so who the fuck let their kid listen to me? This is not a problem you can fix. The therapy didn't do shit, cause like I wish I'd never been born. I buried bodies under the floor. You bring in silence and I try to speak out. Silence is all we agree on. Yeah, I'm problematic, you can call me a problematic. Give a mentally ill man a mic and expect him not to be rapping. The cord around his brittle neck, just wait to see what happens next. You'll see me on the nightly news, maybe get my label checks. And you see how I'm doing, once they see numbers moving. I'm glorifying self-harm, now I'm really just moving. I'm on a path to self-destruction, my hole's 5 feet deep. Let's count all together, kids, one more now, follow me. Hey, like I wish I'd never been born. I buried bodies under the floor. You bring in silence and I try to speak out. Silence is all we agree on. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way. I'm so sick and fucking tired of feeling this way. I'm so